Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to download Pinterest videos on your Windows PC and laptop. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to download videos for Pinterest on your Windows PC or laptop? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so what you need to do is log into your Pinterest account in Pinterest.com and choose any video you want to download. So if you try and look for a way to download the video in the Pinterest website, there's none. You can't do it. What you can do is copy the link of the Pinterest video you want to download. And then what you need to do next is open a new tab and go to a website called pinterestvideodownloader.io. That's pinterestvideodownloader.io. What you can do next is simply paste the link you got from Pinterest to the small bar below the big red logo on the screen. Click download and it will show you the quality and information before you click on download. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.